General Secretary of India's ruling Congress Party, Digvijay Singh, today urged the governor of Western Maharashtra state to pardon the 5-year sentence given to Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt for possession of illegal arms. However, BJP condemned Digvijay's stand, saying that the law should be same for everyone.
Days after Sanjay Dutt was awarded a jail term of 5 years in the 1993 Mumbai blast case by the Supreme Court, the clamour for this sentence to be commuted has grown louder, even as others have said that this conviction has been upheld by the highest court of the country and there should be no leniency towards him. At least 257 people were killed in 13 blasts at several Mumbai landmarks, including the Bombay Stock Exchange, a popular cinema, and 2 crowded markets. General Secretary of India's ruling Congress Party, Digvijay Singh, on Sunday urged the governor of Western Maharashtra state to pardon the 5-year sentence given to Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt for possession of illegal arms.
संजय दत्त कोई क्रिमिनल नहीं है, कोई टेररिस्ट नहीं है। संजय दत्त एक कम उम्र में उस समय के माहौल में उसके दिमाग में ये बात आई कि शायद जिस प्रकार से सुनील दत्त जी ने हमेशा से एक सांप्रदायिकता के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ी है, तो हो सकता है कि चूंकि उन्होंने अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय का पक्ष लिया था, तो शायद हो सकता है कि उन पर हमला हो सकता है।
However, India's main opposition, Bharatiya Janata Party, condemned Digvijay Singh's stance and accused him of always taking a soft stance on people associated with militants.
मुझे कोई आश्चर्य नहीं कि इस मामले में भी दिग्विजय सिंह जी ने वही लाइन ली है जो पहले लेते रहे और उनकी सहानुभूति जो आतंक का शिकार होते हैं उनके साथ नहीं होती, जो आतंकवादी घटनाओं में शामिल होते हैं या किसी न किसी तरीके से उनका लेना देना होता है, उन्हीं के साथ होती है।
Senior leader of India's radical Hindu outfit, M.G. Vaidya, also dismissed the notion of any pardon being given to Dutt.
There is no reason to give Sanjay Dutt a pardon. His offence is not mild. It is true that he did not take part in the terrorist act, but all the material for the Bombay bomb blasts of 1993 were in his bungalow and with his permission and knowledge.
Speaking on similar lines, social activist Anna Hazare also disapproved of the demand to pardon him.
न्याय व्यवस्था हमारे देश की सुरक्षा व्यवस्था है। न्याय व्यवस्था ने जो निर्णय लिया, न्याय व्यवस्था ने जो डिसीजन दिया, उसमें बाहर का आदमी ने हस्तक्षेप करना ठीक नहीं है।
यानी जो फैसला हुआ है उसको पालन करके उन्होंने पूरी सजा भुगतनी चाहिए संजय दत्त।
वो तो जाहिर है ना। हाँ, अगर किसी लोगों के दिल में है प्रेम की बातें, वो बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन न्यायाधीश के अपोजिट में नहीं जा सकते।
Meanwhile, a petition, Free Munna Bhai, started by a fan of Sanjay Dutt, has already accumulated more than 1,500 signatures. Fans claim that the idea of jail time is to reform a person, not just to punish. And since Sanjay Dutt has already served time in prison and is a much better human being today, why is the actor being put through this?